Hi everyone. Today I'm going to go over how I make my face masks adjustable. Here you can see I can pull on the strands to make them shorter. And you can pull on the knots to make them longer. You never want to pull too much because if the knots are right next to each other, you don't have any leeway room to pull them apart again. So about this much is fine. And this is how I do it. The strands are either pre-cut or you cut them yourselves. What you do is you tie a knot from one strand to the other. You want to leave a little bit of the end so it's like the pull part of the strand. You knot one strand to the other like this. And see what happens is that knot can travel up and down the other strand. Now you do the same with the other strand. I'm a little bit of butterfingers here, so give me a sec. There we go. Tighten and you pull on the ends, or you can pull on the strands like this if you're having a little trouble. And see how short it makes these strands? So this makes a tighter fit on your face. Or if you have a smaller face, this really helps. Now I'm going to show you here on one of those disposable masks. See, the strands aren't pre-cut, so you gotta cut them yourself. Quick snip. See, now you have two open strands. Take one strand and knot it on the other strand, just like with the black masks before. Yeah, you see that little bit at the end? That's so you can pull it. You do the same on the other side. Yep, bear with me, got big hands there. There we go. See, pull. It's a little too tight, but this is just to show you how tight it can go. So you pull on the knots, and the knots travel against the strands, and now you have a longer strap. Here's a demonstration again. Pulling it so it's extra tight. Yeah, you won't need it this tight, but just to show you how tight it can go. But see, just a quick yank for this, and you can elongate the strands, and now you adjust it enough for your face. Hope this helps.